as you saw, this was the unboxing, but the camera itself is still in this frame, if you can call it. I want to take it out without scratching it, so it says to push here. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I took it apart. Okay. Okay. I opened the frame. And it's out. See how small it is. Man, it's actually smaller than it looks, which is nice. So now that everything's out, I need to insert the battery. Step 3. Slide this thing here, okay. Okay. Now I also got the 128 GB Extreme memory card. This is the Extreme version, meaning I can take 4K 60 frames with ease, as the normal ones don't give you that performance. So yeah, let's open it up and put it inside a GoPro. So this little hole is for the memory card, and the card is out, so let's put it inside. Alright, looks like we're set to go, and it's powered on. And yeah, we need to remove the sticker. So now with that out of the way, let's power the cam and set it up. I wanted to buy the Sony X3000, but this one has a screen, so it's a big plus. English, agree. Okay, so by default it's set at 4K 60 wide field of view. So it gave me basic tutorial and it's ready to go. I will charge this thing and build my next video using this, and we'll see how it goes. So thank you very much guys for watching. Like the video if you like it, subscribe for more upcoming content, ringing the bell, and I'll talk to you in my next video, hopefully filming using this.